In this video, let's quickly talk about the way that you can fix the YouTube Shorts save problem. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video. Now, saving shorts can mean two different things. Either you want to save the shorts within the platform so that you can view later, or you want to download it or save it as dropped. For the first case, you can just open up any video that you like to save and you'll be able to see the option called save right here. You'll also have the option called download so that you can later on view it even when you do not have the internet connection. Now, if you're facing this issue, the first thing that you can try out is look for any new updates available. So head over to the Play Store or the App Store. If you do see new updates available, you can just tap on the update button. Now, apart from this, what you can also do is try to clear the data and cache of the YouTube app. Just tap and hold the app and then head over to app info. From this settings page, you'll be able to see the option called clear data. You can just tap on it and then tap on clear all data. Once you do these couple of steps, you should be able to fix the YouTube Shorts save problem. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. And that's gonna be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.